Behind every machine we build, there's a process shaped by our customers' requirements. Once the build specification is confirmed, our teams move as one: parts and stock, fabrication, assembly, and finally PDI. Every bracket, every panel, every bolt pieced together in processes that are perfected over time. This is where our expertise in manufacturing is proven. It is attention to detail, tests and checks that ensure that when a machine leaves our facility, it carries the quality our partners rely on. For Kordel Civils and Building, that commitment is absolute. A machine built not just to perform, but to perform for them. And because every operator, every project, and every brand has its own identity, we offer complete colour customization. VAC-EX doesn't simply manufacture equipment, we build relationships too.